Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to recover deleted Instagram stories. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. So as you can see, here's the story which one I'm going to deleting right now. So I'm tapping on this three dot and tapping on delete, and here we can see you can restore unarchived stories for 24 hours or 30 days for archived stories. So I'm going to tapping on delete. So the story has been deleted, and now let's see how to restore the stories. So open your profile and tap on this red line icon to the right hand corner of the screen and tap on your activity. Scroll down and tap on recently deleted and select your story, and here you get your deleted story. So all you have to do is just tap on the story which you want to recover and tap on this three dot icon and tap on restore and tap on restore, and here you can see the story has been restored. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.